Okay viewers, we're now here in Chinatown, Seattle, Washington. See here, Taitung Chak Suey, Shirti, Hong Kong, Lopok. We are at King Street and Maynard Avenue South. There you go. Place for Chinatown. With the gondola there, not gondola, how do you call it? Yeah, getting colder now. Grand opening haircut. $35 women's haircut. Women's long hair. Go. That's the Seattle downtown. Times Square. Go, they're playing table tennis there. Malo, king noodle oh. Go. Chinatown, Seattle, Washington, USA. Chinese herbal medicines and grocery. Yeah, kunin mo na, halika. Hindi, so far I'm okay. Washington, state of Washington, city, Seattle. There you go. See here, import and retro gaming here. Hing Hay Park, that's why they call it the Hing Hay Park there. Now we're exiting the Chinatown Dragon. 88 per last minute, Las Vegas. Manila, $519 one way. Yeah. Let's go park at the hydrant here. Park near the hydrant. See, 6th Avenue South and South King Street. These are the Uber scooter in Seattle. American Hotel. Yeah, now the temperature is getting colder in Chinatown. Seattle, Washington. Good for runner. Good for long drive. See? But the birds in the sky. Chinatown, what do you call this? Imperial Dragon.
So I
See?
I say
Imperial Dragon, South Downtown Foundation, City of Seattle. Excuse me. Yeah, these are true donations. See the dragon there. 5th Avenue South, South King Street, and there is a train station there on the left. We're gonna cross now. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna go now. Pay to enter. Yeah, clock. I think that's a City Hall. Mahirap maglakad yan, may mga tambay na nugnog. Una, mapapagod na tayo. Let's go. Look, we're going down to the subway station. Yeah. Linwood City Center. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.